Hi, I hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing my project pan update. Honestly, a lot of things got pushed back because of my collection videos last month, so we are going to continue it on this month. So basically, I don't have uses for these products today. I don't have any numbers to show you guys, but basically we're just going to compare them to the pictures from like 2 months ago, whatever, to see if I have any progress on these products, my thoughts on them, where I see myself going with them in the future, things like that. So if you want to see my progress on this project pan, of course, just keep on watching. But before that, don't forget, if you like drugs and makeup, go ahead and stick around, subscribe, maybe hit the bell to notify whenever I upload, and if you could like the video if you like it, and the video's gonna start right now. So let's start with the products that I haven't used. The liner. So there isn't really any progress that I can talk about. I haven't touched this at all, so that's pretty much like, this is going to be a really short video because some of these products are just kind of gone under the radar and I just haven't touched them. So this is one of them. I'm just kind of like over it. I don't know what it is. It's just like I don't want to reach for it. There's so many liners that I love in my collection. I'm definitely going to make it a point to use this as much as I can until it is out of my collection, because it's just kind of sitting there. I kind of forget about it, you know. I just kind of have to hone down and use this liner all the time. So I definitely have to do that because I just honestly haven't been using it. So even if I was counting like moments that I use it, I don't think I would have any for that product. Next one, YL Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade 23. Yet another one that I don't really enjoy. I like the color, I like how it looks on my lips, but I don't like how it feels. It's just really sticky, so I kind of tend to stray away from this product. However, I have used it a handful of times, but it's just like the feel on the lips, especially if I don't throw a gloss over top. If I have a gloss over top, it looks amazing, stunning, but I definitely have to make it a point to use this as well. It's just kind of sitting there. There's like no progress, so I can't really see that in this tube. Same thing goes for the liner, so that kind of deters me from using these products because I'm like, I'm gonna use it, it's still gonna look the same, so I'm kind of like this product. Yet another product that I haven't touched. This is the Italia Deluxe liquid shadow in the shade Nude in Ibiza, and it's stunning. However, it's just not, it hasn't gone with my look, so I haven't been touching it. I'm just like, I kind of have to hone in on my project pan makeup so I can keep it moving, because my other makeup is sitting there and I kind of have to get these out of my collection so I can play with new products. So I'm kind of like at a standstill with my project pan. Let me know if that ever happens to you. Give me some thoughts down below in the comments. Give me some advice on how to kind of get over this, just like not wanting to touch my project pan makeup, because I'm just like, you know. Now the two products that I have been touching a lot are the contour palette and my Colourpop Flexitarian. So I'm going to show you guys those products. I definitely have some movement, I feel, because I've been using them non-stop. Again, this is the Colourpop Flexitarian Super Shock Cheek, again in the shade Flexitarian. So I think this one I might have some progress on. So I'm going to show you guys what I have now. So this is what it looks like. I'll give you guys like a really up close look at that product, and then we'll do like a before and after situation. So this one for sure I've been using a lot. I love it. I love the formula. It's so beautiful. So this is definitely one that I don't forget about, because I just kind of throw it in with my makeup like whenever I'm filming a video or whatever. And same thing goes for the e.l.f. cream contour palette. As you guys know, I've been trying to use this up. I did use one pan up, so I have been sticking to this side of the palette a little more. So there's a look at that. Sometimes I mix them together, but so far this is the one I've been using. So hopefully you guys could see there is quite a bit of usage in that product. This is the one that I've been using throughout these months, and I really much enjoy that. I just kind of press it on and blend it in with my sponge. Looks amazing. Same thing goes with the highlights. So both of them are amazing, but the other makeup I just haven't been reaching for. So again, give me some thoughts, give me some advice down below on what to do to revive that love for my project pan again, because it's hard, it's difficult. I don't know how people do this, but we're gonna keep pushing. I don't want to give up just yet. There's so much makeup that I have in my collection. I want to keep using the old so I can bring in new products into my collection and not just like declutter them, because I really do want to get some use out of these products. So again, give me your advice down below, and we made it to the end. I hope you enjoyed watching as much as I did filming this video today. Everything that I talked about, all the names of the prices are going to be down below, as well as any videos that I mentioned throughout this video or videos that I uploaded last week. Don't forget to upload 3 times a week on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sundays. If you could stick around, that would be amazing. I have my Insta handle displayed on the screen. I post a lot of makeup finds and jokes at a high end, so if they're interested, go ahead and follow me there. And it'd be so amazing if you could like and subscribe. Of course, you don't have to. You're your own person and make your own decisions, but it wouldn't hurt to give this video a like, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.